Hello everyone, this video is about the visual collaboration and creating a visual collaboration roadmap. So in this video I'm trying to cover several things. One is actually a workshop, which is how to create a visual collaboration roadmap, or a roadmap of any type for that matter. And secondly is to show to you visual collaboration. So here I'm using our Workshop-as-a-Service powered by SharpCloud. And the first thing I want to show you is just how you can show activity of people working online, and if there was other people working on this roadmap in different locations where we're separated by distance and time, we could see their avatars just like you see mine here at the moment. We could also start a Skype group call, which is obviously enabling us to have video and voice so that we can see and talk to one another while we're working at the same time. And all the time we're getting an audit trail of actually what's happening, and we're able to put comments on at a roadmap level, or as I just clear this out of the way a moment, if I just open up one of these items here, we can write a comment against this particular item called mobile services, and we could say just write a comment, and my name with the time and date stamp appears, and I could also like it to say I really like this one. What you're also seeing here, collaborative from a visual collaboration perspective, is we talked about data in real time. Here we can add any of these types of forms of information, whether it's a link to a website or to a SharePoint server, whether it's a Word, Microsoft document, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, a PDF, whether it's media like images or videos. Any of these can be attached. And also what we've done here is so that we can tag everything, and we've also got some metrics which you'll see how we score the particular items with a start and a duration. So coming back to the visual collaboration and how we create our visual collaboration roadmap. Typical on a roadmap, we have a why, what and how, with these kinds of sectors within it: market and business, what is it we want to do, the product, service or system, and how we're going to go about with the technology, resources and processes. And on a roadmap you have typically 4 stages. There's the past, the current, the transition, which would be the medium to long term, and what our vision is. And what I've just put in here just very quickly for you is our vision is to have a real-time relationships in the marketplace. That's why we want to do this. What is it that we're going to do? Well, we're going to have a real-time service. And how are we going to do that? Well, we're going to have integrated visual collaboration. So if we was just to step through, one of the first things we would do is to say, well, where are we currently? So what I've just shown you now is the same system, but we've gone to a different view, which is basically putting post-its on a wall. And we've just added the post-its. The next question I might ask you is, what are the transformational changes, what's happening in the future? And we've added these in, and people again can be adding these from any location that they're based at real time. And then we can ask, well, how do we transition from the current to the future? What are those transitional opportunities? What we would then do is we would identify a current item that is being challenged and then look to the future and think of a new idea. So here's some current aspects. There's globalization with the cost of travel. We have a disjointed service, and then we're using emails and spreadsheets and the internet and PowerPoint. And these are really being challenged at the moment. So how could we prioritize our transitional ideas by these implementations? So by looking at each of those items there in the current, we've now gone to what could be the transitional stage to get to our integrated visual collaboration. And here we say collaborative marketing, collaboration development, and visual collaboration mobile services. And we've put them in their priority of being easy or moderate of implementation. Then we've kind of looked at it in the priority of being easy, moderate, difficult, to whether the innovation is actually incremental or disruptive. And we've put those in, and again, we can move these around if we wanted to. If I just say yes to that, I can move them around like so, like this way, as we move it up and down, just so that we can show how flexible it is. And every time we're doing that, people can see what's been happening and what edits and everything and changes that I've made to that. And if we then go on to the last one, I've just shown the same items, but I've sized it by benefit. So really what we can see here is mobile services. It's easy, incremental, big benefit. We're seeing visual collaboration. It's easy and it's disruptive technology. So these two down here would be the ones that we should really go for. Big benefits, easy, and also has a disruptive, game-changing innovation. And then if we want to maybe have a look at that in a timeline, we can then spread these out over a timeline of our roadmap and maybe add some relationships into that. So hopefully that very quickly gives you a view of actually how we can create a visual collaboration roadmap, but also showing you an example of visual collaboration where we're able to work together and share information, start group type calls, broadcast to people either on a one-to-one or in a big group, whatever you want to do. If you'd like to find out more, then please fill in the orange box below and or the blue box to contact me directly and have a chat, and I'd be happy to set you up. Thanks very much. Hello everyone, welcome to the Roelto website. My name is Jason Hire, and I'm just going to give you a quick overview of what we do with regards to collaboration and visualization services. So really my main aim is helping you to collaborate more effectively, to be able to visualize your data and information more easily, especially when we're using spreadsheets and PowerPoints. We have to keep updating and re-editing and redistributing, and in doing so work with other people a lot more productively when you are separated by distance and time. So how do we go about doing that, or how do I focus on helping you do that? Well, there are three main areas that we look at. Collaboration, this is really about people more than the technology, but includes creating an approach where you can work with people, develop a relationship and trust. Part of this is we base around the British Standard 11,000 collaborative business relationships, and that provides a framework specification for us to help collaborate in a much more effective and productive way. With regards to visualization, there is so much data being accrued daily, and having to present this and share this with people so it changes into meaningful information and knowledge is a constant battle. So again, by using the latest technology to visualize your information in a much more dynamic way that can be kept up to date and shared and collaborated on is what we do. The next bit is really working together when you're separated by distant time, and this is using visual collaboration. And this is not just about using video conferencing and telepresence. It's all about using the stored data and real-time data and being able to connect with one another so it's accessible and it's global. And captured within all of that, to make that all hang together and work, we have what we call Workshop-as-a-Service, which is both collaborative, visual and interactive. So let's have a look at the kind of process that we go through. Really there are four key areas that we need to look at. Is how you connect to your business, to your organization, to your external partners and other people. Then when you collaborate and co-create with them, and then this way you can use Workshop as a service for doing workshops and also collaborative meetings. Then importantly, how you communicate that to your audience. So here you can see we have your business on this side, and you might be creating ideas, gaining knowledge that you actually want to interact with your business. And what we need then do is we create templates and visualizations within Workshop-as-a-Service, so you can either present that and communicate it to your audience in a consistent manner so that they can feed back to you, and together you can continue to collaborate and co-create online, both visually and dynamically, using visual collaboration, so video, audio, working in a space that you can all share and interact with one another, such that you get feedback and you can go through the process again of updating whatever it is that you're working on, whether it's your marketing plan, business strategy. Here are some examples for you to look at as how you could use Workshop-as-a-Service. And here we can see customer presentations. So you might be dealing with a customer that is 1,000 miles away, and yes, you can do a WebEx, and yes, you can present a PowerPoint, but wouldn't it be good that you can actually start developing your marketing plan or account plan with your client immediately, and find out the things that they like or not sure about, and start adding and building to it dynamically with both you and the client. To find out about that, just contact us and we can set up a demonstration of that for you. Other ideas could be just on one-to-one discussions, as I said, having group brainstorming and facilitating ideas for your innovation processes, through to contract negotiation or helping to set up project teams. Again, BS 11,000 is very good for facilitating and working in that way. Again, we can use it for global strategizing or account management, and for just simple independent thinking. So there are many ways that you can use Workshop as a Service to carry out these particular functions. So how does it all work? Well, simply it's based on a product called SharpCloud. This is a software as a service product, and we've created multiple templates and configured stories so that they're ready to go, whether you just want to do a simple SWOT analysis to maybe a innovation pipeline through to a visual collaboration strategy roadmap. We have a whole host of templates for you to use, and we connect you online, set your team sites up, brand it accordingly. We can then either hold the facilitate meetings for you, going through anything simple like online Scopia from Radvision, WebEx or Skype, and then using these templates and connecting both to your private directories, your own people over on this side, or to other online collaborators who could be your external partners. And together through this visualization, using these tools, you're able to collaborate and visualize your work in a much more effective and productive way. Well, I hope that's of interest, and if you'd like to find out more, please just either contact us directly by entering your name in the blue box below. I'm always happy to have a quick chat, or just contact us on the web form. Thanks very much, and I look forward to hopefully collaborating with you soon.